Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Fellow filmmakers, what I want to do is explain that one tip when I'm filming my special effects expressly, I have a list of each effect going down for the script. And on that list of special effects, after I've completed it and perfected it for the script to be written into it when filming test shots, I go back in that list and I check it off and I make little notes. That gives me an indication so I can type it later when writing out and typing out the script, if you will. Alright? So that way I've got everything perfected and I know I don't need to go back to it and and check anything out at all. Alright, hope this helps out. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel. Put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. And join the Morbid Team Entertainment Border Buy and Sell group. Thanks a lot and bye-bye.